Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Maths with Snehal. I am Snehal. Here I am teaching 10th class Maths. This is my 5th lecture. In this lecture, we see the graphical method in the chapter number 1, that is linear equation in two variables. In this lecture, I am teaching you how to draw the graph of the simultaneous equation and how to find out the value of the solution of the equation. In previous lecture, that is lecture number 4, I already told you some basic concepts for drawing a graph. So first you see the lecture number 4 and then see this lecture, because if you don't see lecture number 4 then you will not understand this lecture. So now starts with one example that is given in your book. The example given in your book is x plus 4y is equals to 4. This is the one linear equation, and another one is given in your book as a 2x minus y is equals to 2. Now we see this is the equation given in your book. Now we have to find out the solution for that linear equation. We already told you that there are two methods, that is substitution or elimination method. Both we are study in the previous lecture. Now we want to find out the solution for this given two linear equation by using the graphical method. What you check after studying graphical method, that is the solution find out by using graphical method or the solution find out by using either substitution or elimination method. Both the solution are same. So first we find out the x and y coordinate. Now first we see how to make a column. Now here we want to make a two columns because there are two given two linear equations are given. Now we find the first column for the first linear equation. Here we find three coordinates for the x and y. This is the column for first linear equation. The first linear equation is x plus y is equals to 4. Now we have to find out the coordinates for drawing a graph. Here we see roughly how to find out the coordinates. Now if we put the value of x is equals to 0, x is 0, then y is equals to 4. This is the x and y, first x and y coordinate 0 and 4. Now if we put the value of x is equals to 1, here we see roughly if we put x is equals to 1, then first equation become 1 plus y is equals to 4. Therefore y is equals to 4 minus 1. Now y is equals to 3. This is the second coordinates for drawing the graph. That is, if we put the value of x is equals to 1, then value of y is equals to 3. This is the second coordinates 1, 3. Now if we put the value of x is equals to 2, that is, if we put the value of x is equals to 2, then equation become 4. Therefore y is equals to 4 minus 2. Therefore y is equals to 2. That is, if we put x as a 1, 2, then value of y becomes 2. Now here the third coordinates are 2, 2. This is the rough calculation. So we rough here. This is the first column for finding out the value of solution of the given linear equation. Now we have to find out the column for the second linear equation. Here also we find out the three coordinates for drawing the graph. You draw the column by using scale. I draw by using hand, so it will becomes a curved lines. Now this is the column for the second linear equation. we have to find out the values. Now if we put x is equals to 0, if we put here x is equals to 0, then the equation become minus y is equals to 2, that is the value of y is equals to minus 2. Hence first coordinate is 0 minus 2. Now if we put the value of x is equals to 1, here we roughly calculate 2 1 minus y is equals to 2. Therefore 2 minus y is equals to 2 minus 2. Therefore minus y is equals to 0, means y is equals to 0. That is, if we put the value of x is equals to 1, then the value of y is 0. This is the second one coordinate 1 0. Now if we put the value of x is equals to 2, then we get the value of y 2 multiplied by 2 minus y is equals to 2. Therefore 4 minus y is equals to 2. Therefore minus y is equals to 2 minus 4, because here 4 is positive on the right hand side, it will become negative. Therefore minus y is equals to minus 2. Hence the value of y is equals to 2. That is, if we put the value of x is equals to 2, the value of y is also 2. This is the third coordinates for drawing the graph. I will draw the graph by using these coordinates. It is a rough calculation, so I rough it. Now we draw the graph for the given linear equation by using the given coordinates. Here we write the coordinates at the corner for me. First solution, first coordinates are 0 4, second one is 1 3, and third one is 2 2. This is the coordinates for the equation x plus y is equals to 4. Now the coordinates for the another one equation is 0 minus 2 1 0 and 2 2. This is the coordinates for the equation 2x minus y is equals to 2. These are the coordinates which we find by using the columns. Now we draw the graph for this simultaneous equation by using these coordinates. All of you know some basic concepts for drawing the graph. First we draw the x-axis. Now we draw the y-axis. Sorry, this is the x and this is the y-axis. Now this is the multi-dimensional graph, so we draw the graph. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. All of you know on the right hand side of the x-axis the coordinates are positive, and on the left hand side of the x-axis coordinates are the negative, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Same for the y-axis. On the upper side coordinates are positive, and on the downward side the coordinates are negative. You will draw this graph by using the scale. I will draw by using hand, so it will get some curved lines. And all of you know the scale on the axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Here we write. Now we have to draw the graph. First coordinate is 0 4, that is x coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 4. This is the first coordinate of the equation 1. Now second coordinate is 1 3, that is x 1 is on the x-axis and 3 is on the y-axis. This is the second one coordinate, that is 1 3. Here we write the coordinate for your understanding. 2 comma 2, that is 2, and here is 2. Now we draw the line passing through this coordinate. You will draw by using scale. The line will get in the straight line. This is the line passing through the coordinates. This is the line for x plus y is equals to 4. Now we draw the line for the second one linear equation, that is the first coordinate is 0 minus 2, that is 0 is on the x axis and minus 2 is on the right y axis. 0 comma minus 2. Now 1 comma 0, 1 and 0. 1 is on the x axis and 0 is on the y axis. So this is the second one coordinate, 1 comma 0. Now 2 comma 2. This is the this coordinate is same in both the equations, that is 2 comma 2. Now we draw the line passing through these three coordinates, line passing through these three coordinates. This is the line passing through these three coordinates. We draw again. This is the line for the equation number 2, that is 2x minus y is equals to 2. This is the lines for the equation 1 and equation 2. Both the lines are intersect at the point 2 comma 2. So this is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Hence we write here solution. Therefore solution of equation x plus y is equals to 4 and 2x minus y is equals to 2 is 2 comma 2, that is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. Now we solve the practice set 1.2 in the next lecture. All of you understand this lecture, then like and share with our friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.